Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Good morning, student. Today in class 10, chapter 1, chemical reactions and chemical equations. So, dear student, previously I was given to you combination reactions, decomposition reactions. Now, same today I'll select here another type of reaction, that is the displacement reactions. So what will happen in displacement reaction? Those reactions in which one element takes the place of another element in a compound known as displacement reaction. In simple way, in displacement reactions, one element can displace the another element, or more reactive element can displace the less reactive element from their compound. So in general way, suppose we have taken A plus VC. This is a element and this is a compound. So reactions carried out to form A plus B and C removed. So here A more active and this C less active. That is why A element displace the C element from their compound. In general view, for example, when a strip of zinc placed in a copper sulfate solution, then zinc displaces the copper from copper sulfate solution. So here zinc solid plus copper sulfate CuSO4 aqueous gives zinc sulfate aqueous and copper solid removed. So in this reaction you have seen this zinc more active element can displace copper from copper sulfate solution. So many chemical reactions, those show a displacement. For as you know very well about displacement reaction, in which more reactive element can displace less reactive element. Now fourth category of reaction is double displacement reaction. So student, here those reactions in which an exchange of ions between the reactants take place to give new product. In general way, suppose that A plus B and C plus D both a reactant so these reactant first form cation, that is a positively charged, and anion, that is a negatively charged. So here A plus V minus cation and anion plus C plus and D negative. So this is a interchange of cation and anion to form AD and Cb. This is a product. So here A plus D negative and here C plus and V negative, means exchange of ion take place in double displacement reaction. For example, when lead nitrate aqueous react with potassium chloride aqueous to form potassium nitrate and lead chloride solid. Second is ammonium sulfate aqueous can react with calcium hydroxide aqueous to form ammonium hydroxide aqueous solution and calcium sulfate, this is a solid. So here also, like ammonium having plus 3 charge, sulfate having minus 2 charge. So these are the, this is a cation, this is the anion. Similarly, calcium having plus 2 charge and hydroxide having minus 1 charge. So these are the formation of cation and anion. After that, they can join ammonium plus 3 charge, hydroxide and negative charge, then calcium plus 2 charge and sulfate minus 2 charge. So this is a rearrangement of their cation as well as anion. So dear student, this is for you about displacement reaction and double displacement reaction with example. Barium chloride solution added into sodium sulfate solution. So here barium sulfate solid and sodium chloride aqueous is formed. Sodium sulfate solution added to barium chloride solution. So when mixing of barium chloride plus sodium sulfate, so dear student, whenever this Na2SO4 react with BaCl2 gives to form NaCl aqueous plus barium sulfate solid as a precipitate. So here student, first formation of sodium and sulfate ion. Similarly, barium and chloride ion. So these are the cation anion, and to fuse together they form sodium and chloride ion and barium and sulfate ion. So this is also rearrangement for the cation and anion. Today for you about double displacement reaction. Thanks for the day.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.